Hello guys, welcome to another session of our class. Like I promised, today we are going to look at the menu bar and the toolbar. So we'll go straight to our illustration. Yeah, here we have it. So like Photoshop, the up part is the menu bar, and right here is the toolbar. The new menu bar allows us to explore other options available in Adobe Illustrator. For example, if you click on the file, you see similar stuff like what we have in Adobe Photoshop, which is new from template, open, close, blah blah, and the rest. Now if you come here, edit, you see similar stuff. Like I told you in Photoshop, edit allow you to edit object, shapes, and text. Then here you see object. Here it allows you to transform this place, specifically specify on object. As time goes on, you know the features of all this. Both those one on gray. Then we have select, we have effects, we have view, window, then help, which most of are similar to what we have in Photoshop. Now on the tool side, let's go to our tool. First tool you see here is what they call selection tool. It's used to pick an object. Select an object. When you select something, you pick it. You pick the object. Select a particular object. It has other feature with it, but the major work of the selection tool is to select an object. Then the next one is direct selection tool. It selects and adjusts the anchor point and segment to reshape parts. The difference between the selection tool and direct selection tool is direct selection tool changes the shape of an object. Then the next one we have is your pen tool, similar to what we have in Photoshop. It creates parts with precision using anchor point and handles. Then we have the curve vector tool. It creates and edits curves and straight lines. It allows you to draw circle using just anchor point. If you do it correctly, you can get a full grown up circle from there. Then the next one is our rectangle tool, which also comprises has other shape with it. It's called rectangle tool, but it's also known as shape tool. The shortcut to all these tools are written beside it, which is this M. Then our paintbrush tool, similar to what we have in Photoshop. It's used for painting, so don't need to rush that. We have our text type tool, which is also known as type or text tool. It's used to enter text. Rotation tool to rotate an object. Eraser tool, remove part of parts or shapes. Remove an unwanted part or shape. This is the most favorite of all them all. Shape builder tool. This is actually what you can use to do professional logo design. Then we have the gradient tool for blending two colors. Eyedropper tool to copy and paste colors, from other objects or pictures. The width tool helps to thicken or lighten the width of an object. Then we have the blending tool, which helps to morph shapes, that is blend the color and the shape between two objects. We have the artboard tool. The artboard tool helps to create extra artboard where you can work on, like what we have in Photoshop. There is also a place in your preset while selecting your document flow workspace if you want more than one artboard, so you can be able to work simultaneously. Then we have the zoom tool, and then here we have the foreground and outline color. That's what we have here. This button here is to change the colors in between. So with that all said, I think we'll be able to have a quick view of the tools we use in Adobe Illustrator. Thanks, and see you in the next class.